What's up, everyone? How y'all doing? How long has it been since we've done one of these? Jesus Christ. Okay, it's been a hot minute. Let's go through what's happened in the last 3 months since we've done one of these like little Let's Chat state of the channel videos. We hit 1,000 subs. That is absolutely awesome. Can't thank you guys enough. We got up to 1,005, dropped down to 1,002. You know what? Whatever. We passed the 1,000 mark. Thank you all so much for helping me get to that milestone. If you guys didn't see it, there was a video that went up that was me making a parody play button of getting 1,000 subscriber play button. That was a lot of fun. So that was like one of my very first kind of like sketch kind of shows, or sketch pieces, I guess. So we hit that. That was absolutely fantastic. The response on that, I think people liked it. I didn't get a lot of comments, but from the few that I got, people did appear to like it. I've been putting out a lot more content lately. We've done a whole bunch of new update videos. So I did a new update for how to activate follower mode. Did a lot more daily chats. There was a week there where we did a whole bunch of like fitness products, mainly because I wanted cheap and easy content. I've put out a lot more episodes of how to get started in streaming. I hope you guys have been liking that. One of them did exceptionally well, which is the what's it called? The deck board video, which is basically a software version of an Elgato Stream Deck that has no cost. That video did exceptionally well. I was so thrilled that you guys liked that video. So that helped a lot. I have a lot more videos coming now down in the pipeline. I've been getting back into the swing of things. I got really burnt out there for a long time, actually, having to do everything by yourself when you have no one helping you at all. I mean, not a single soul helping you. When you're doing all of the product acquisitions, the marketing, you have to do the communications between PR reps or between marketing people. You have to do the shooting and the editing and the posting and the tagging. It's a lot. And I just got so burnt out. I just couldn't do it anymore. I was just so over it. So I took a long time off, but I got back into it, and we're starting to like ramp up again and starting to get more content out. As you guys can see, I'm trying to put something out at least every day. I know that is what the YouTube algorithm wants, and I go through spurts of it, but I am trying my best to be more consistent with my daily uploads. And I did find a really good Reddit post that described how to work the algorithm in 2020. The guy had a lot of really good advice, some of it already very well known, but it was just really nice to see some very specific details to very common known things like thumbnails and all that. He just gave a little bit more insight, so that was very, very helpful. One thing I did find myself catching a lot of lately, and I don't know if I was really bad about this in the past, but I know I caught myself in the last like month. I've been doing a lot of really poor etiquette for broadcasting. I'm stammering over my words like I just did a second ago. I've been doing and, so, and now. Now came out of nowhere. I don't know where I started picking up the word now, but that just started up, and it has been a plague in my videos. I've been trying my best to cut them out as and when I can. Luckily for me, when I do something like go into a transition for the next clip, I'll say now, and then I'll pause. Thank God I do that so I can cut them out really easily, but it has been a problem, and it's something I am trying to catch on. I know it's bad broadcasting. I apologize that it's repetitive. I apologize that it sounds stupid and, well, just uneducated. I don't know where it came from. I am doing my best to absolutely rectify that problem. What else do I have to talk about? We talked about the 1,000 subs. We talked about the new content. We talked about the recurring content. Oh, yes. Let me see if I can find it. Give me a sec here. I have it somewhere here. Where did I put it? It's got to be around here somewhere. I have a update on a video. Oh, here they are. I have an update. Who remembers? Who remembers this? This video here about the broken microphone preamp. I know it's purple. It's green tape. That's why it's purple. See, if I go like this, there you go. See how that is? How it's green. Who remembers this though? I did a video of taking apart this preamp because it blew. The prevailing thought is I had it hooked up to a very cheap Alesis mixer, and we think that the phantom power was dirty, and because of that, it blew something in here. When I took this apart, I thought it was either a diode or a resistor, but my thought process was it was a diode that blew because the diode looked really crooked. I took it to a store called Active Technologies or Active Electronics here in Calgary, and the guys there, absolutely fantastic. They helped look at this thing, and they assumed that it wasn't a resistor or a diode, but instead it was one of the transistors, the audio transistors. There's 4 of them on the PCB. I went to eBay and I got not one, I got 20 of these things. They were like $2 for a pack of 10. I bought 20. I have it right here in a bag. We have 20 transistors. I am going to do an update. Part 3 of the microphone preamp repair is coming. Hopefully this week. I'm in school, but I am going to do my best to try it, at least do it this week. And if not this week, for sure on the weekend, I'm going to bang this out because I have to desolder them one at a time, resolder them, and then test the thing, and then rinse and repeat, plus film it all. It does take a lot more time than just desoldering and resoldering all 4. That would be the smart thing to do, but it wouldn't be the most content advantageous thing for me to do. I do have to desolder them one at a time and test it, and if I'm lucky, I might get 2 videos out of this. I might do 2, see how it works out, and then do 2 more, and then see how it works out. So I could get 2 videos. I could possibly get 3. And if those 3 go, I could possibly get 3 more. This little box, this thing is worth its weight in gold in content if you're an electronics person just wanting to see how it works out. But yes, I did get, see, there it was again. There it was again! I did get the transistors. They arrived from China super duper quick. I was shocked how fast they came. They only came in 2.5 weeks. I've had stuff from China come 3 months later. I don't know why these made it through so fast, but I'm happy they did. And now that I know how cheap these kind of parts are, I might just go buy a whole bunch of random assortment of electronics parts and just keep them around, and we might just do some PCB builds. I remember now, and this goes out to Wazgob specifically. I have found a temporary stopgap permanent solution for the 24-hour streaming setup. Now, the one thing I was going to do originally was build my own RTMP server, and that's still on the docket. I just don't know enough about Linux offhand to be able to configure it myself. I need help with that part specifically. But now that one was okay. I found a piece of software called GoPro 2 OBS. And that software will let me do what the RTMP server was going to do originally, where I can stream a GoPro over my internal IP network, or over my internal network. IP's already implied. And you can capture it through your OBS. I can do the 24-hour streaming setup. It has been figured out. Somebody was good enough to program a software to let me do it without me having to do the whole private RTMP capture through VLC. It's a whole thing. Somebody made it clean and simple. That is on the docket. This is now all down to funds. It's going to cost about, all in, 500 American dollars to make it work. Because the GoPro itself is 80% of the cost. The software is actually really cheap. It's like $80. But the GoPro is super expensive. Once I have the GoPro in hand, and once I have the software, boom. I can do 24-hour streams because I have all the other computers set up. I just need the GoPro. I'm super happy this has now been solved. I'm really excited that we might be able to move forward with this before the end of the year. My goal is to try and get this by Black Friday, since they'll have a sale going on. That is my current trajectory, is to plan for Black Friday to buy the GoPro with all the accessories and all that. If I'm lucky, I'll get like a 20 to 30% discount. And that's it. That is the current state of the channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know this channel is very eclectic, where you have reviews and tutorials and walkthroughs and all this other stuff. But I hope you guys like it. I do need more suggestions, though, on focused content. If you guys want me to do something specifically, focus more on tutorials, focus more on reviews, focus more on daily chat, I would like to see that kind of stuff, because for the algorithm, they do want you to be very specific and niche in your channel. I've kind of gone the opposite way and like shotgunned out in a specific field, but I've kind of shotgunned my way out. I don't think I went the right way about it, but I'm very happy with this channel. And if I have to reboot the channel, then I'll just reboot the channel onto another channel on YouTube. I already have like 5 other channels, so what's one more? The other thing you guys may have noticed is new thumbnails have shown up, and the Rex has been rebooted for 2020. We got an updated version. I had Shriggs work on this for the better part of 2 months, and we went back and forth, but we finally got a 2020 update version of the T-Rex. If you guys haven't noticed it, check the thumbnails, even check the avatars. I've updated all the avatars on all the common places that you'll find me. I'm very happy with how it is. It's very modern. It's very sharp, very like streamlined. It's not artistically swiped anymore. Now it looks very clean with all the edges, and it looks a little bit more vicious. I hope you guys have liked it. If you guys have any comments or opinions, let me know. I'm also getting updated versions of the little babies below, and those will probably all be unveiled at the anniversary show. On the anniversary show on season 6, we're going to update all of the baby T-Rexes, all of the overlays, and the daily chat thumbnail will be updated too. I am going to roll with the daily chat thumbnail as it is, because it's season 5, and I'd feel really stupid changing it midway through, if that makes sense. But there you guys have it. That is the update state of the channel address for August. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below. Hey, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share it if you can. And I thank all of you, and I'll see all of you on the next video.